yeah. Hey y'all. So today we have an Amazon package, and here should be my wig and some shimmery sparkle stuff for homecoming. Yeah, boo. Oh. Okay. So first things first, we have this. I might insert a picture of what it is. And then now we got this. Yes, Bookie. Yes, Bookie. Period. It's glitter spray. It's like body shimmer. And then this is the wig. I'm gonna do an unboxing. The lighting is a little shaky, but don't worry about that. So we got the wig, y'all. Here it is. The company is called from Amazon. Y'all, let's open it up. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Let's see what they gave us. Hold on. Let's see what goodies they gave us too. Let's see. Okay, this is it. Just a little wig cap. Let's see what's in her. Okay, it's basically just a customer service thing. It's cute. It's cute. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get this wig installed, and I'm just looking bad, like 28. But this is what the wig give, y'all. There's nothing much really to it, but let's get into the other items because yeah. So I don't know if the lighting is better right here, but sorry, y'all. Next we have this chain. I'm gonna insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like, but it's supposed to go in between my little titties or whatever, so hopefully it do it. Hopefully it do it. I'm gonna try this on. And then we have the shimmer. This is all it says on the back. It says for glitter. Hold on. Hello? Yes. Oh no, I was at cheer practice until 6. I literally got out of cheer practice at 6. They don't play that. They don't play that. Was it fun? It's so irritating. Bye bye. The hair, we have this, okay. This is like a shimmery little thing. Like, look, y'all, with the flash on. Look at what it's giving. Y'all see? Do y'all see? This is like, this is for hair, body, nails, craft, clothes, skin types, skin tones, all of that. Like, all skin types, all skin tones. We about to crack this open. We about to see what it's hitting on. This is what it's giving, y'all. Real cute. Real cute. So this is what it's giving y'all. This is what it's looking like. My camera not picking it up, but that's fine. So I'm assuming that this is a little refill, and then this is what it's gonna look like. Okay, babe? So you take this off. Take this off, and boom. I'm scared. Hold on. Y'all, it's y'all. Y'all, this is elite. Hold on. And then this was just one pump. Oh, babe, I'm not doing that no more. I don't want glitter everywhere, really. But I'm gonna just put this up. Okay, I'm gonna put this right back up because we're not doing that. But yeah, so this is a little refill thing, and yeah, it's, girl, this is elite. Like, this is legit. This is elite. Like, yes, it's all on my carpet, but that's fine. That's fine. You know, who really cares? I can't. Tomorrow I'm gonna pick up my nails. Anyways, bye, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all at the next appointment or whatever I'm doing, because yeah, I'm about to leave actually. But before I walked out the door, I seen that I had got a package. We just got a package. Wonder who it's from. So anyway, so it's from where is it from? It is from, it's my purse for homecoming. I did not expect it to be this big. Okay, it's cute. My homeboy, he told me to get this one because he said it matched better. It's a clutch and a cross. Are y'all serious? It's a clutch and a cross. Y'all check out the details. Hold on, let me turn it back on the light. This is what it's giving. It kind of looked cheap on the camera, but it's cute though. It's cute in person. It's a 2-in-1 too. What y'all? You can't get no Gucci bag that's a 2-in-1. You can't get no YSL that's a 2-in-1. I wanted a YSL bag, but this is cute. Period, Bookie. Get into this. Get into this bag. I love this, y'all. This is super duper cute. But anyways, I'm gonna see y'all again. I gotta go, y'all. Peace. So hey y'all, it's your girl feeling like Quaja, period. And I'm about to put on my press-ons because tomorrow is that big day, and hopefully I get my hair done tomorrow. Let me tell y'all the little situation for right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just start on my nails while I tell y'all the story or whatever the case may be. So I booked an appointment for Wednesday, right? Wednesday is December 14th, but homecoming is on the 17th. So why, you see what I'm saying? Like, why would I do that? Why would I go to school on Thursday? Because I ain't have school on Friday. So why would I, today's Friday, but why would I go to school on Thursday? And then it'd be like, everybody didn't see my hair, everybody seen my hair and everything like that. Like, why would I don't play with it? So I'm just like, okay, whatever, bro. Like, I can't do that. So I was calling the lady, calling her, trying to see, like, if she would take me on the 16th. Mind you, I was trying to see if she would take me just on a later date, no matter what. Like, just a later date, no matter what. Because my wig was coming on Thursday. Anyways, because something crazy. But it was supposed to come on Wednesday, but then instead it just came on Thursday. So my bad if I'm confused, y'all, but yeah. So then I'm just like, okay, cool, whatever. So then she was like, she take walk-ins daily, right? So I'm just feeling like maybe I'm gonna just be a walk-in tomorrow. Period. Like, I'm gonna just have to do the walk-in sitch. Like, it's no way that I'm going to homecoming and my hair looking like this, and I'm not going to homecoming without my hair done. I bought my wig, y'all seen the wig. I have my outfit, y'all seen the outfit. Hey y'all, today we're unboxing my SNOWCOMING outfit because this is so exciting. It came in like 5 days, literally.
No, it was like 2 days.
Anyway, so it's like, I might insert a picture of what it looks like, but it's basically trousers and a blazer, but the blazer is open. I've been wanting this for 2 years. It's gonna show the cleavage, okay, boo? So it come in this little cute box.
Miss Circle.
Yo. Okay. So this is what it's looking like.
I can't go there.
So it's really like, yes, baby. Yes, baby. I hope this is not big. So here's the top and bottom. They red. They red.
That's a pretty red. That's a busted red. Busted. Woo! That's cute.
Okay, so I'm about to go try this on right now. What?
They're gonna eat them up. Yeah. Let's get up.
I have my nails, y'all. See the nails? If y'all haven't, period. And they gonna even look even better on my fingers, period. I might, if I don't win homecoming queen, I know I'm gonna win best dress, period. Cause you get $100 if you got the best fit. Y'all know what it is, and y'all know what it ain't.
I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends.
So I finished my nails. Here they are. They yeah. Don't mind my
Are y'all ready? Like my snow coming is today.
We here, y'all.
I am the best.
Anyways, y'all. So y'all, I'm here. I'm about to get my head did. I'm so excited. Like, yes, bro.
Bitch, I'm G to the L to the O, big glow. You can catch me at a track, tennis, slime with your hoes. I ain't popping out at parties, gotta book me for a show. They say I be living fast, nah, pussy boy slow. Hey, we hopping out at red lights, twerking on them headlights. She say she can't come outside today, that means she's scared, right? I be put up in the winter, in the summer, pop out at night. Bragging on that nigga top, you better hold his head tight. Anyways, life's great, pussy still good. They still eating cake, wishing that a bitch rich. Got my foot up on their necks as a bitch should. On the front, I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. Fucking on them headlights. Fucking on them headlights. Fucking on them headlights.
We don't went through too much. Drink the mud, don't be covered. Yeah, I'm covered. I was loving it, I was loving it. This for the lovely, this for the ugly. That ain't for the job, this for the other niggas. That ain't for the shop, this for the other bitch. I'm going crazy about it, I'm going crazy.
Look who did my makeup, guys.
Okay, come get a beat. Slay by the Snob.
Yeah, it's gonna be on the screen. Bye. Bye, guys.
But you gonna walk out, shut up. Go ahead.
Is he eating?
Only when I do my work, he'll fucking lead. Got the mother trap jumping.
I'm built all in. I hang out the window in my wretched. This came late as hell.
Asia eating. Yup. Yup. It was in the run best dress, baby. Equation the Q. Put the YSL in it.
Editing Quincy here, and I just wanted to say, like, let me let y'all know why I did not go to SNOWCOMING. It's because I was really late. I came at 10 and they had like shut it down at 10 because somebody was gonna fight or something like that. And they, like, when I was walking in, people was walking out, but the security guard said I couldn't come in at first. But like my teacher, one of the staff, he was like walking around to the cars, people cars and stuff. And I was just like, can I go inside? Can I go inside? I wanted, like, the little satch thing, whatever it's called. And he was like, yeah, come on. So he told the security guard, like, she with me. So then I came in there, and when I'm coming there, everybody walking out. They talk about, she late. Okay, and I look better than everybody in here, like... you know, not too much, boo. Not too much. Like I said before, y'all, I would have won that $100 if they didn't cancel it. I would have won that $100. Promise y'all. I ain't even got a lot of y'all. Y'all my homies. Y'all my roses. Why would I a lot of y'all? I ain't got a lot of y'all. That's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all of my socials. They'll be in the description box down below. Ciao, ciao.